Woo! Ooh. Man, no. That's why I want to get something to see what I'm saying.
Yeah, yeah, baby.
Hold on.
Hold on to this part. There's a clean spot right there where I just hit my feet.
Okay.
And then going on around like this.
Okay.
See what I did? That
Okay.
little spot.
Right
your
there.
feet hit right there.
That's what I'm going to do.
Mm-hmm.
And you a little shorty and you ain't had all that like I'm doing. All right.
But see, I had trained myself how to get around that little hole.
Yeah.
Just jump over that.
And we'll come through the garage next time. Everybody's saying in their areas that it's snowing only 30 minutes from us. So I'm gonna look outside right now. Okay. Oh man, I hear it. I hear it coming down. Dang it. It's coming down. Y'all spoke it. And we still recovering from this mess. Yep. It's coming down. I hear it. But it's light. It's real light. Yeah. It's light.
I rather have that snow than
I'd rather snow than that ice we had. Man. Yeah.
On video.
We were just out here a few minutes ago. Come on now. Really? Wow. It is pretty. Okay, I stopped fussing.
Kids out here.
Well, we got 3 more hours of this to go. All right.